Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a new menu option when you use Open With. We'll start by identifying the menu where the client wants to add this new option. On this screen, the client wants Method Tracker to show up when you right-click and select Open With. As you can see, it's not listed here, so we're going to Menu Maintenance to find out which menu contains the Method Tracker screen. From there, we'll pull the name of the menu we need. Here it is. I'm going to search for Method Tracker. The one they want is this customized version. I open it and it's located under Production Management. This one belongs to Engineering, General Operations, and now I'm looking for the one called RSCHE Method Tracker. This is the one. From here, I copy the menu ID. Once copied, I go to Context Menu Maintenance. Now I'm going to search for the table where I want to add it. The table is Part. So I type Part and check which options appear. Here I can see all the available options. We'll select Part Num. If at any point you're unsure, you can go to Help, go into Field Help, and here you can verify the field name. In Technical Details, you'll see it's Part Num, so we're correct. This is exactly the one we need. And here you'll see all the options that appear when you open the Open With menu. Now we'll add a new context menu item. In the Process ID field, I'm going to paste the menu ID we copied. I'll leave base form as is. Here I'll type the name that will appear in the list. The name of the menu is RSCHE Method Tracker. I click Save, close this window, and refresh. Now it should appear under Open With. And here it is. This is how you can add new options to Open With. So it's easier to quickly access different menus from one screen. If I open it, it launches the customized Method Tracker, which is the Engineering Workbench screen. And just to double check, let me confirm that it's opening the correct screen, which is this one. From Part Entry, selecting Open With Method Tracker or accessing it from the main menu, both open the same menu. So this was added correctly. I hope this video is very useful for you all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.